All right, today we're making an apricot brandy glaze for pork chops. After this is done and we've got the pork chops on the grill, about halfway through the cooking process, we're gonna glaze the pork chops pretty heavily with this. We start with a half a cup of apricot jam. In this case, we're using Simply Fruit apricot. I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon, which I have here. Mix that up a little bit. I've got 2 tablespoons of brandy already measured out. It's going to go in next. It's apricot brandy, apricot liqueur, depending on what you can find at your local store. Mix that up real good. And last but not least is going to add 1 tablespoon of ground mustard. This will actually thicken it up, give it some nice flavor, tang. Actually acts as a bit of an emulsifier too. Gives it a pretty color as well. And that's how you make apricot glaze.